Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Yuxin Little Magic Square-1 M. So I am quite sick while filming this video, and that's why my voice is kind of messed up, but I was kind of eager to film this unboxing, so yeah, let's get straight into it. So here's a stand, blue stand. Here's the Square-1 itself, and here's an invoice and a 15% off coupon. So I have no idea how to solve a Square-1, nor do I have one, so I'm quite excited for this. So yeah, here we go. Here's the Little Magic M Square-1. Let's do first turns. Whoa, how on earth are you supposed to turn this? I guess kind of like this. It turns much better than every other Square-1 I've tried. I've tried that Chi one, and then I've tried a X-Man Volt, but I haven't ever tried this one, and it was magnetic, it was cheap, so I decided to just pick it up. Overall this turns quite nicely, but I have no idea how to turn this or solve this or anything. So yeah guys, I've already scrambled this Square up and I have no idea how to solve it. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.